got some sick records here, man.
Yeah, Jay Dilla, Cool G Rap. The selection is stacked, but that's why we're at Beat Street Records.
What kind of records do you collect mostly? Hip hop or?
Mostly for me, it's like, I'd say it's like reggae, dancehall, blues, jazz, and punk, because I'm weird, but obviously I love drum and bass.
It's pretty eclectic,
But yeah, you just landed in Vancouver this morning.
Yeah.
And so far, like, what have you been up to?
I've been just roaming the city, man. This is my second time here since 6 years ago.
Nice.
So definitely missed the vibe. Was just checking out downtown, Gastown. Gastown is a nice vibe. Got some coffee and dessert at Nemesis Coffee. Got a nice there. I think it's called Cruffin. Super tasty.
Cruffin.
Yeah,
Nice.
Yeah, it's like a mix of a croissant and a muffin. Like it was like cream inside. Super good. Definitely recommend it.
Definitely nice. We also saw that what was it? Cottage Jelly, the little Italian shop with the crazy beer.
Thanks for the tip.
Yeah.
That little secret lookout.
The secret lookout.
There's this like little deli shop where you can sit down inside and you look out and it's the mountains. Dope. Definitely go there in the morning.
We also it was kind of funny. Went for a walk around the alleys because we checked out the legal art alley.
Yeah.
And we saw like some Crumbs and Daver pieces. They did the first installation for the first Deep Resonance.
That's cool.
Yeah, and then we saw like an Elvo piece. We saw a merch piece. That's the homie. A sugar piece.
It seems to be a pretty happening art scene here.
Yeah. Very, very cool. That's why, like, that's what we like to do. That's why we're gonna have the gallery in that. And your show, your last one, I think in Toronto, or maybe the one before that, but that one sold out for your 100K subscribers.
Well, we definitely packed out the venue.
Nice.
We threw it at a pretty sick venue called Nomad, and they have the Void acoustic sound system. So for those that don't know, Void acoustic is probably, people rate that as the top sound system company in the world. They're probably head to head with Function One. Some say they're even better than Function One. Some of the top UK clubs house a Void sound system, so it's a blessing to have something like that in the city and just to play drum and bass there.
Yeah, that's wicked. We're in luck because we're gonna have the Function One rig. You're gonna be flexing it tomorrow.
We have a Function One.
Yeah, we have a
by the way,
dirty Function One stacks.
This is my new T-shirt that's coming on. This is just a sample, but this is, I'd call it the London-Toronto connection because Toronto and London has had a long history in terms of drum and bass. We've had drum and bass history there for almost 30 years. So the main text says jungle, then you have London, Toronto, and right in the middle I have 3 Function One speakers here.
Yeah, that's exactly. We got 2 big nasty stacks like that on the sides of the stage.
Yeah, this is a sample T-shirt, but looking to mass produce them later in the year. So if you guys are interested in the shirt, definitely stay posted on my social media.
Yeah, that's going to be cool. And you're going to send me one when you get them.
Absolutely,
and I'll send you a couple of these and that next other thing that we have going that we're going to announce tonight, but we can't let you know just yet. But
so I didn't know that you guys will be housing a Function One sound system. I'm quite looking forward to that. That's going to be a beast of an event.
Yeah, it's going to be crazy. Actually, we're it's like 80% sold out, but having counted, we're going to have a full house. So that's going to be wicked. It's
been a while since I played drum and bass in the city, and I'm kind of looking forward to see the response to the music there.
What was the first show you played here?
I played here about 6-7 years ago for my buddy Jamie, and they threw an event at the Beaumont Studios. It was a nice little warehouse event, and that time I played back to back with my buddy Slater. We played kind of more like halftime, kind of more deeper drum and bass. But for this event, I'm probably gonna play a little more dance floor, more jump up. I just want to bring the party for tonight.
Yeah, so. He's gonna tear the roof off. Yeah. So that's his. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, we're starving. We're gonna go grab some food at Lunch Lady later, which is probably the best pho in the city.
I definitely came here specifically not only to play, but to try all the top Asian restaurants because the last time I came here, I did a noodle tour. I had like 10 noodles over like the span of 3 days. I'm gonna see if we can beat that record this time around.
Yeah, I'm excited, and I'm actually, I think we're also gonna meet Guyon's there. He flew in from the Netherlands to play.
Yeah.
So I don't know if he's gonna go. I don't know if he's gonna go before or after you, but we'll figure it out. And then also, you said Beaumont Studios.
Yeah. I'll be doing possibly a live stream there later tonight. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably go meet up with Captivate and go do that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm starving. I was at work all day, and then last night I went with my buddy Justin. Shout out to Whistler Junglist, to the Mad Caddies show at the Rickshaw.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was cool. But what do you say we go grab some pho?
Yeah, man. Let's go eat.
Let's do it.